Can you guys hear me clearly? Can you guys hear me? Hi Ajay, can you hear me? Okay, I believe you can hear me. Okay, shall we just wait for 1 minute? I will start the session. So today is let's just say like easy topic and relaxing topic. We're just going to talk about how to survive in forex market. Okay. And don't worry, at the end of presentation, I will look for the trade setup for you guys. Okay. Let me just have a look on chart. How you guys doing so far? Anybody of you guys buy gold or sell gold like yesterday, or did you buy gold from like today at the Asia session? Anyone? So basically we're just going to talk about, like just mentioned, just a relaxing topic today. Okay. I'm open the chart. I want to look at the gold at the moment. Let me see. Okay, so basically, okay. Good day to you too. Hi Jamilus. Thanks for joining the webinar. I constantly see like AJ, like Jamilu. I know some of you guys been like supporting me and Chrisinda, okay, for like yesterday live transaction and Tuesday for education section. Again guys, if you have any like certain topic you want to learn, or you can just like type and tell me. I will maybe bring the topic for you guys. Just anything about forex you can ask me as well. Okay, shall we just start our webinar? Again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IC Market webinar. So today we're going to talk about how to survive in forex market. Okay, and before I start the webinar, disclaimer first. Alright, so basically this webinar is purely educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be considered as investment recommendation. Alright, and risk warning: trading forex and CFD carry a high level risk to your capital, and you should only trade with money you can afford to lose. Alright, and about myself, some of you guys already know, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader. Sound is too low. You can't hear me, is it? Anyone hear me clearly, or the sound is too low? Anyone? Is it too low or it is okay? Oof. Okay, let me it's too low. Okay, let me check my is it better? Is it better? Is it better now? No. On my phone I can hear it clearly. Maybe I check with another okay, let me see. Okay, is it better? Let me check. Because I check on my phone. Okay, let me check on my phone. Yeah, I think on my phone I check that sound is okay. Again guys, can I check with you guys, is this the sound is too low or okay? But I can hear the sound is not at always. Oh, okay. maybe after this I will maybe check my microphone, but as long as you can hear me, that's okay. Okay, so the agenda for today, we're going to cover the importance of survival, key survival principle, practical risk management strategies, emotional control and mindset, continuous learning and adaptation. Okay, so why is so important of survival? Why is very low? Why is very low? Lady? Okay. Give me a second. Is it better? Is it better? Better now? Okay, good. Okay, so the importance of survival. Why survival come before profits? So okay, much better. Okay, I increased the volume. Maybe just now I was like, maybe I accidentally adjust to like 50, so now I adjust to like 100. Okay, so as we already know that forex markets are volatile and unpredictable, preserving capital is essential to stay in the game long enough to learn and succeed. That's why you need to have a stop loss, right? You need to have a stop loss in order for you to protect your capital, right? Oof. Okay, strategic and analogies. Okay, many traders lose money in their first year. Those who survive learn and adapt. Trader might preserve capital for the bad trades. I'm one of them. Okay, I'm the one of them that for the first year I lose money. Okay, of course I'm still survivor because I learn and I adapt. You need to invest in yourself, right? And you need to like realize your mistake. Don't try to repeat your mistake again and again. Okay, survival mindset is very important as well. Focus on risk management and emotional control, not just chasing profit. Okay, and for the new trader, okay, maybe I share my experience with you guys. Okay, when I was my first year, or maybe for the first 6 months to 1 year, my profit is like that, it's like kind of like it's like roller coaster, like I won a lot, I lose a lot. It like up down. You know, to look at my graph, it just like go up and down, it never constant, like make a profit for my first year, because one is that I don't satisfy with my profit. For example, that I want to earn, for example, like per day $100. I already hit $100 per day, but I'm not satisfied. I wasn't satisfied. I'm kind of like want to earn more. That would be kind of like greedy. End up I lose my profit that I had earned. I also lose my capital. Okay, so you should change the mindset. Okay, I think in the forex mindset it take about like 70 to 80%. Okay, for technical it take about like 20%. Okay, to me. Okay, and key survival principle, preserving capital. Okay, don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Again, if you kind of like to borrow money just for to trade, try not to do that. Okay, you should trade with the money that you think that if you lose money you don't feel anything. Why? Because if you always have the mindset like this is your last pocket money. Let's say you have a 1,000. If you lose this 1,000, okay, maybe let's say 1,000, you want to use this 1,000 you use to pay for the bill or maybe your children's school fee or whatsoever, but you kind of like use this 1,000 to trade. Whenever you place the trade, you will have the kind of mindset that, is it going to hit a stop loss kind of thing. Try not to use that kind of money. If you don't have money, you don't trade first. You can trade on your demo account to practice your strategies. Okay, whenever you are ready, you just maybe start with the small capital. It could be like $100 nowadays. Okay, to myself, like last week, okay, I deposit $500 USD. As of today, okay, I already make a profit 1.5k from $500 US account. I'm not over trade. The reason I share with you guys, because some of you have, because I have like, you know, I have the follower, they have like really small account, 300 account or 500 account. They don't know how to, like, you know, trade gold based on a smaller account. They kind of like over trade because they kind of like, they are follow those like other social media, you know. With your $500 US account, if you want to trade gold, to me, I place 0.02 lot size. Maximum is 5 entry, which is 0.1. Okay, and I aim for 500 30 to 50 pip for my one entry. Okay, for like every time I entry, just aim for scalping. So as of now, I already make a profit of 1.5. I just want to share with you guys, with your smaller capital, you can earn money. You can just aim for $50 or $100 per day. That is possible as well. Okay, trading with a plan, this is very important as well. Every trade should have a clear reason and structure. Okay, either you are a scalper or you are a swing trader or you are a day trader, you should wait for your trade setup. Okay, this is very important as well. And again, clear reason, clear reasons, meaning that you should ask yourself, if you want to buy gold now or you want to sell gold now, what is the reason you want to enter at this level? There might be a reason. We're not going to blindly, you know, trade buy and sell based on your emotion, because end up, you know the result, right? You will lose the money, and you should stick to your plan to avoid impulsive decision as well. Patience and discipline is the key, right? Be patient, just wait for high public trade setup instead of chasing every market move. So basically, let's say you're waiting to sell at this level, okay, waiting, then the price come to this and then falling. After that, you chase the market because you have a FOMO of losing trade, like, you know, you missing trade, so you just sell now, follow the market. After that, they might go back up here, slightly go up there, your entry, you might go stop out, or you have a margin call, or you already cannot, you know, cannot open another trade because of your leverage. So just be patient. If price falling there, doesn't matter, it's okay, because at least your capital is still there. Instead of you chase the market, sometimes it go to your favor, but sometimes it might pull back here, you might have a margin call, or you cannot have another entry. Okay, adaptability, so market change, trader might be willing to adjust strategy as needed. Again, talking about strategy, some of you guys should really know that I learned so many strategy out there in the, like, you know, in the market. I learned all of them, and the reason why I learned all of them, because, you know, the market condition, it always changes. For example, like if you only trade based on support and resistance, okay, what if price did not come to your support? Okay, maybe I learned another strategy. For example, like we draw support and resistance, okay, and then before the support like support level here, there is the bullish or the block somewhere around here. Okay, price may not come to my support level, but price only come to like bullish or the block, like this level. I may buy from this level. The reason, because there is a bullish or the block. For example, you only learn one strategy, you know, because sometimes price may not come and trigger your support and resistance. Go and learn as much as possible, okay, because end up I learned so many strategy. End up I realized that I can use all strategy that I have learned, you know, in the Forex market, because some market condition it work well with ICT or SMC. Some strategy it work well during the London section, but may not work well in New York section. Okay, just go and learn. Okay, if you love learning, just go and learn. Okay, trust me. Okay, and some strategy it work well on different time frame. Okay, for example, like if I trade based on like support and resistance. Maybe support and resistance may work well in the high time frame, but in a low time frame you might see that it might break. Okay, it depends, but trust me, go and learn. Okay, and practical risk management strategies, use stop loss and take profits order is very important as well. Try not to keep adjusting your stop loss. Whenever you put a stop loss, just stick to your stop loss. Okay, automatically close trade at predetermined level to limit losses and lock in profit. Whenever we buy or sell, price is moving, maybe you just set like if price moving 20 pip or like 20 to 30 pip, you may move your SL to break even somewhere here, and then you can know, because whenever price falling, it may not hit stop loss, you just hit your break even. Okay, and at least you earn some like 20 pip around here. Okay, try not to like put exact, for example you buy here and then you put stop loss somewhere around here. If price reverse, you earn nothing. To me, I like to at least 20 to 30 pip, and then I will either move my stop loss to break even or slightly above my break even, or use the tailing stop loss. Okay, manage leverage wisely. Leverage can be amplified both gains and losses. Use it cautiously. I saw some brokers, okay, they offer unlimited leverage. I used that before. Okay, that of course there will be pro and con as well. Currently I'm using my leverage, I'm using 1 to 500, and one account I'm using 1 to 1000. That's it. Okay, but I know some of the broker now they are offering 1 to 2000. Okay, but I think AC market they are offering now 1 to 1000, but I'm using 1 to 500. Okay, and diversify your portfolio, so spread risk across different currency pair and assets. So try, okay, let's say you only trade XAU USD, and let's say if you trade gold, okay, you know that gold has a positive correlation with EUR/USD, GBP/USD. So basically, if I trade gold, right, I trade EUR/USD and GBP/USD as well. Okay, because they move the same direction, and I use EUR/USD and GBP/USD to kind of like confirm my entry. Basically, confirm the like support and resistance. For example, let's say if gold is falling, okay, nearing the support, if I want to buy EUR/USD and GBP/USD, both of the pair, right? Both pairs should approaching the key support level as well, and then I use this one to confirm my entry. Okay, set realistic goals, avoid unrealistic profit target, focus on constant substantial gains. So for example, I only have 500. Okay, I have 500 account. My profit target per day, I aim for $100. This is achievable. Okay, like today I already earn more than 150, which is I already stopped. Okay, that's already enough for myself for my small account. Okay, some of you guys trade with 1K account. Trust me, $100 per day, that is achievable and it's possible as well. Okay, if you have the knowledge, with 1K account, 200 to 300 per day also possible, especially if you trade gold and if you know how to wait. Okay, monitor and review, so regularly check your trade and adjust strategy based on market condition. Okay, and emotional control and mindset. Okay, so common emotional pitfalls, so fear causes hesitation and premature exit. Greed lead to overtrading or holding losing position too long. Anybody of you guys like don't have stop loss and you like to hold your position when you have floating loss, and then you kind of like hoping that price will for example, like if you buy, right, if you buy and price is falling, and then you hope that price going to like reverse and fly high, and end up you might hit a stop loss, or end up you might need to cut loss. So try to put the stop loss. Okay, to me stop loss is the key. Okay, put the stop loss, just put your stop loss. I think recently I heard someone in the social media. He said that he been in the forex market more than 10 years, and then he never put a stop loss at all. So I go and listen what the reason why he don't put a stop loss. He said that he been in the forex market for 10 years. He just like that. At the end, price will go back to the entry, but it will take like a few months for price to come back. And then there is someone comment like ask him, say that what if price gone against your favor? So he answered, he said that before he enter the trade, he will do the proper trade setup, and then we just either go for it. Okay, but he said that he will go for a smaller lot size, and then he can hold. Then I was like, okay, if the newbie, or like you are new trader, follow him. Then he said, okay, I'm not going to put a stop loss. I think that kind of like the wrong mindset. Okay, to me, I still put my stop loss anyway. Okay, yeah, to me stop loss is the key. Okay, strategy for emotional control: develop and stick to your training plan, and practice discipline and be patient. Maintain a trading journal to reflect on decision and emotion. For this one, trading journal, I think for the new trader, I think it's a must. Okay, but to me, I personally nowadays I don't do trading journal anymore. Last time I like to record all my my entry. Okay, I think nowadays there was some software or the EA or like others like online for you to track your trading journal. I use my FX book, okay, to kind of like log in every detail. Like you just key your account, right, and then you can see your performance. So if some of you guys don't know about my FX book, you should just go and create the account. Okay, they will tell you how much you deposit, how much is your profit, and how is your trading journal. Okay, and building a resilient mindset, so accept losses as part of the process. Stay focused on long-term goal, not a short-term. Okay, all right, so guys, you have any question? I see, I think my slide is, what slide is this? Emotional control, continued learning. Okay, this is going to be the last slide before we look at the chart together. Okay, continued learning and adaptation. Why continuous learning is matters? Okay, market evolve, trader must stay informed about new trend, strategy, and tools. Okay, how to learn, how to keep learning. So basically, attend the webinars. Okay, like you guys do like every day, like every week. Okay, read book, follow market news, analyze your own trade, and learn from the mistakes. Adaptation: be open to changing your strategy as market conditions shift. Flexibility: help you stay ahead and capitalize on new opportunity. Surround yourself with support. Engage with a community of the trader for feedback and motivation. Okay, it's okay for you to join the community or follow the trade signal. Okay, why? You can compare your trade signal with others. Okay, and of course, you're trading alone, you might be so stressful, so better just join community. Okay, just go and join it. Okay, I have my own. Okay, and I have like a few people there as well. Summarize key points. So this is going to be the last slide that I'm going to talk about. Okay, so survival come first. Okay, focus on risk management and discipline. Control your emotion and keep learning. Okay, that is end for today, guys. You guys have any question or you need to share with me, or you can share with me as well, like you are a scalper or swing trader. At least I can I can share with you. Last time I may consider myself as a scalper, like I look at the chart because I was full-time trader okay, for a few months before I do like I take like the job. I look at the chart like 8 hours a day, and I scalping like only gold, okay, like in and out, like based on like lower time frame. I scalping gold M1, M15 and M5. Okay, nowadays I kind of like consider myself a day trade, which I look on the highest time frame, which is M1 no, H1 and H4, but I use the lower time frame for my confirm entry. Okay, since you guys don't have any question, maybe shall we just look at our chart. Okay, so basically just, you know, practice, be patient, wait for your trade setup. Trust me, it takes time. I know that some of the trader, okay, been in the forex market more than 3 to 5 years or more than 4 or 5 years, they still cannot be profitable from the forex market. Okay, I think they know the mistake. It's just that they can't either they refuse, okay, to improve, or refuse to learn, or sorry, what I want to say now, what am I now? Okay, okay. Anyway, shall we just look at the chart, USD C-sharp? Okay, now I want to ask you guys something, since you guys already here. Okay, you ask about USD C-sharp, are you a scalper or you're a day trade? So I know which time frame I should look for you, Ajay. Are you day trade or you're a scalper? Okay, based on what I can see in USD C-sharp H4, you can see the price still kind of like, you know, on the bearish trend, day trade. Okay, okay, let me look at the D1 first. USD C-sharp price is came from the, like, you know, resistance level. You need to look for the sell entry. Based on H4, you might meet the entry already. So if you want to buy, this is, you may consider to buy at the support level, like over here, at this level. But order block is already worked of this week. Okay, so what I can do, I can go to the M15 to find the entry for you. Another entry that I can see based on this one, there is a bullish order block here. No, bullish order block at this level. You may consider to buy here. This level, this one. Okay, you can buy from this. Now you can see price falling, so I want to see the confirmation. Okay, you may consider to buy here based on M15. That's the only one I can see. You buy here, and another zone in the lower time frame you can buy usually this one, this zone. Okay, your TP, if not, you need to wait. These are the you can buy. If price break with your first support, you wait for the pullback, and then you sell. You could target here the USD C-sharp is not my favor. because the structure is not very nice. I mean, not very clear. I'm not trade this pair. Okay, unless I see that there is very nice overlap like that, I will trade. But if I were to see like that, I'm not gonna trade. Okay, but it's M15. Okay. Yeah, it's about almost extension 127. Pivot at this level. Okay, any pair you guys want to request, go. Okay, gold price already falling from the resistance level. Last night, anybody sell gold at this level? Last night, like yesterday, not last night, depending on your time zone. Okay, anybody like short gold? If price rising again, we're not gonna sell at this level. Okay, the next sell zone I'm looking, which is at this one, unless you want to sell at first resistance. If you see confirmation along that level, okay, and you can see that yesterday price came to close the gap, right? They closed the gap here. It's right here. You can see that gap. And if you were to look, go to the lower time frame, you will see your confirmation. You can see the rejection, you can see the price action, and you can see there's a divergence as well. Right? And price rising. Okay, price rising, break this high, right? Can you see that the pullback and continue to go higher? You go to the like M15. From here, there will be people selling somewhere around. I don't know why they're selling. I need to go to H1. Okay, selling here because there's a supply zone here. There's like some people sell, but this come from the key support level and rising to the resistance. Okay, so sell here, right? I sell here. Do you sell here for scalping? Is where based on the M15 trade setup, which is you will get the sell entry at this level for scalping. Yeah, the resistance level, right? You want to study your resistance level, and above that you'll see that it also have the your value of the block here. This is the reason sell in M15 for scalping, which is how many pips? 700 pip, 70 pip. Okay, for gold. So now, are we okay to sell? No, because why? Based on M15, price is making a triangle now. Okay, so if you did not sell since like on top here, there is no entry for you. Unless you want to sell now, your stop loss have to be above your first resistance level. Okay, based on M15, you will see confirmation. This is your buy entry at your own risk. If you want to buy at this level, okay, that might be the confirmation. You wait for the rejection, or you wait for divergence. Okay, and then you say it's about 78.6% Fibonacci retracement at about like 3. Okay, you may consider, because today there's no news, okay, you may consider to buy at, why is this color. If you want to buy, you may buy at 3310 to 3308. Okay, if there is confirmation such as divergence. Okay, PA stands for price action, or those like or chart pattern. This is every trade setup if price come, okay, to this 78.6%, and then you see confirmation. Okay, so if price going back up again, you're gonna sell. You need to monitor this one. Okay, based on the okay, this one I remove. Based on the M30, let me highlight this zone, and I will go to the lower time frame. I will see if anything I can like have a sell entry. M5 I don't see any FVG already used here. No, there is no entry. So basically what you can do, you can just wait here. Okay, wait this level. Okay, oof, this is okay. Any pair beside the XAUSD, just be patient. Overall for gold, I still buy as sell for the monthly candle, because of this one. Okay, this candle here, I still buy at sell for gold. Okay, then the last week ending like with this price action. EURUSD based on the approaching the resistance. This is the key support level. Let's just do top down analysis. Okay, that should have the extension 138. No, I'm not gonna use that. Okay, weekly price might go all the way up to this resistance level. If they're going to make a divergence, okay, in the weekly time frame, if they want to make a divergence like that, price make a high and falling, and indicator is make a lower high. Okay, either you're gonna go up to make a bearish divergence, something like that, or you can go down to the lower time frame to look. D1 okay, based on the D1 candle, This is the supply. Okay, this is supply for D1. This is a support. Okay, H4. This is the you buy from this level. This is the support level, and there also like demand zone here. You can see that price come to like the support and the zone, right, and then rising. Do you buy from this level? Do you buy from this level and price is rising? Now, do you sell from this resistance yesterday, and this is your supply? If you to draw from here, this is going to be the zone like resistance, and above here they're going to have the supply zone, and the supply zone you will see that price rising, right, this one, and then falling. So now basically based on H4 time frame, EURUSD is ranging. Okay, it's just ranging here. If you want to trade, you might find the lower entry in the M15. This is my sell entry. Okay, this is my sell entry. A pivot point. Okay, and price falling already. Okay, for scalping, I will target here for my trade profit. This about 20 pip at this price. Around this level. Gonna my take profit for the sell entry. It's about 20 pip. Okay, but now H4 day trade, you did not enter here or you not buy here. If you yet already have a profit, if you want to sell, that is your entry, because H4, this is your other block. Okay, that's why you sell this zone. That's why you sell this zone. Okay. Okay, the confirmation. Okay, I can see in M5. Okay, price action here, still within the zone. If price rising for scalping, if price rising, at your own risk. Okay, if price rising around this price, you may consider to have another sell entry. Okay, you may have another sell entry. Okay, so basically your sell zone. Any pair, guys, beside EURUSD, GU, GBP, price falling from the okay, now basically now I'm waiting for price to pull here for resistance. Okay, for resistance, and this is gonna be your take profit and your first support. You can, okay, so we're gonna sell here. $50 pip, no, 50 pip. This is your sell entry, and this is gonna be your take profit. Okay, I'll do H1 trade setup. That's the level. I still buy at sell for GU. Okay, basically wait for the pullback. Let me go to the M15 to see. Okay. USD. Okay, I look for the buy entry because your price action day candle, like daily candle, D1 candle here, and price came from the almost reach the support level here, and this is the zone. Okay, for the D1. This for the resistance. That's why you see the rejection. Okay. Trading mass, hello. You are late. Okay, so H4, you're gonna look for the buy entry, so basically you should wait to buy at this level. This is first resistance. Okay, you wait for price to pull back. You target here at your TP1. Let me go down to M15. Okay, so M15 lines, yeah, it's right here. Should be 61.8. Let me see. Oh, yeah. The zone may be big. 61.8%. Okay. You wait for price to come in the zone first, okay, and then you buy from this level. At least come in the zone. You see the rejection. Let me go to the M5 to see. You can see this very nice overlap. You can see this resistance, support, resistance. Now it break above, become your support level. Okay, this is the H4 is on the block here. Alright, what is that? AMD. What is AMD? Is this what is it? Is this one? What is this? Advanced micro device. Are you trade stock? You should buy, right? Price come from the demand here. Monthly, weekly. There was a gap. This is a resistance. That would be 61.8% golden level. D1. Are you buy or sell? Based on the D1, buy. You buy. Okay. Yep, you should buy. This gonna be, you might see the pullback over here. You may see a pullback over here. Based on H4, right? Price already break. This is gonna be your support. I think they're going to make like A, B, C. Target 100%. Projection. There will be extension there as well. Maybe 200%. Okay. See, this is the resistance level, or this could be your target profit target, somewhere around this price. That we like A B C. Could be like, you know, A B C here. Retrace 50%. Yeah, you can see retrace 50% here. So yeah, gonna be like 100% projection right there. Oof. Where is my, okay, buy, yes, buy. Okay guys, any pair before I end the webinar? Excuse me. Okay, last pair before I end the webinar, guys. Excuse me. Oh. BTC. Shall we just look at the BTC? Okay, now. Okay. This is my analysis. I delete. There is a reason why price falling here. Okay, right here. Either this is the balance at the bottom here. Price falling. I remove this one. Okay. You can see a lot of rejection here in the box. Okay. Anybody buy or sell BTC? Anybody sell? If you sell here, this is your sell zone. Okay. Another sell zone is gonna be at this level. If price falling, your first TP is gonna be your first support. This one is gonna be your second support. So basically your TP1 and TP2 here. If you sell, if you can see it's overbought as well based on its time frame. Okay. This is bearish OB. Okay, and another one is a supply zone up there. Let's go to M5. Okay, you can see M price was just kind of like, you know, ranging in the zone. Okay, before they break the box and pull back and then falling. Anybody sell? Okay. This is the level. Okay, so before I end the webinar, I go back to gold again. Now price is rising. Oof, what was that? Are we okay to buy at this level? Price need to come in the box. Okay. No, we're not gonna sell here yet. You need to wait for price to go in, and then we want to see confirmation. Okay, either first resistance. Okay, you can see that like the candle is like go really strong buying, right? You wait for the second resistance to sell. But if today you already happy with your profit, you already earn money, you should just stop trading. Okay, just stop trading. Yeah, I think I catch a cold now. Again, if buy entry, this is still be my buy entry in the M15, and price haven't come yet. Okay, now what I could see, if I want to sell, either price rising to 3.3. Okay, if you want to sell, okay, either they're going to make a diversion here. Let me narrow the level. I'll give you a scalping trade setup. Okay, you can see this order block. This is your order block. The reason we sell here based on order block, you can sell. This is your valid though. Price read it's so fast, right? Go to the box and then falling. This box is still fresh. It's still slightly a little bit here. It's falling like from 3.335 to 3.3 is about almost 20 pips. Okay, either here or if price rising again, either here rising, maybe here and then falling, you may consider to sell at this level. I'll monitor the I sign, whether they're gonna make a diversion, like price make a higher high, indicator you make a lower high. You need to like monitor this level. Okay, this is not gonna, but the buy entry is still valid. Okay, you want to buy, wait for confirmation and then you buy. Okay, if not, you sell about 3339 to 3341. That's gonna be your sell entry for gold. I think they're going to make a divergence here. Okay, make a bearish divergence versus the like the I sign. These are other block in the M15, but I think it's not fresh. I'm gonna use it. I'll wait to sell at this level. Okay, your sell entry. If they're gonna make a divergence, right? If they're gonna make a divergence, if not, another 100 pip, which is 3351. That is the second resistance level. Okay, and we have like supply somewhere there. Alright guys, okay, that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, I will see you guys again next week. Okay, so these are trade setup. Either buy, we're gonna wait to buy at this level. Okay, if sell, this is the sell at this level. These are scalping. Okay, M15 trade setup. If M15, okay, the candle is like rising close above the first resistance level, that is invalid, right? This zone, this level invalid, you should wait at second resistance to sell. Just be patient. Okay, I'm not gonna trade already because today I already make a profit, so tomorrow I will come back and look for the trade setup again. You can see that first resistance, either here, this, I think this this level is valid for the first resistance, just be patient. Either price rising all the way here and then M15 they're going to do like diversion. I think we okay to sell at this level. Okay, but it seems like price gonna fall now. If price falling, that's okay. Okay, don't chase the market. I still wait at this level. You can set alert if you want to. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining. You're welcome. See you again next Tuesday. Okay, happy trading guys. Bye for now and take care.